What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rambling Garage. Today we're working on the third gen, the 89 GTA. 5.7 TPI has a little problem. I've been noticing pretty high pressure in the gas tank, and then I filled up the other day and realized shortly after I had gas flowing out of this thing after my drive home. So these things have an inline fuel tank vent valve. It's a super easy fix, but all the videos I've seen online are they don't really explain where it's at. So I want to make sure I show you guys today where that thing is at. It's back over the rear end, and it's on the driver's side. We're gonna go take a look at it. We're gonna get it replaced. This is gonna take us 5 minutes. So I'm gonna make a 5-minute video showing you guys how to replace it. So I hope this helps some of you guys. I hope this saves some of you guys some money. Other results of this, I have a check engine light on currently, and I have a little stumble at idle. So I feel like there's a fueling issue as well. What happens is these valves get stuck open. I'm gonna show you what they look like when we take it out, and those cause the car to run rough. They have some evap issues and some leaking as well as a result. So this is much easier than just doing, it's probably not much easier, but it's just as easy as doing a vented valve or a vented cap, and I much recommend this. Do it the proper way. You do a vented cap, you can have that leaking issue on tight turns and stuff like that anyways. So I think this is safer and it's pretty easy. Let's just go do it. Alright guys, so I'm going to make it very obvious where this thing's at, because I don't think a lot of the other videos really show it. I'm going to turn my flash on here. We're right, rear end is here. Hopefully get an angle. It is right there. So I'll show you guys what I just did. It's not like a very good spot to get a tripod in here, so I apologize. It just kind of is what it is. I grabbed this thing, and you can tell ours is junk. So this thing needs to be replaced. You can use a little, looks like a flat head or probably a 6mm socket, and then you can pry it off on this side. It's just kind of clamped in there. So a little, let's see if I can flip that around so you can see it. Hopefully you can see it's a flat-headed screwdriver, just a little one. And then you can use a bigger one to pop this bottom piece off, and should take care of it. So we're going to replace this. I have the link in the description to new ones. I'll swap it out and show you guys what it looks like. So a little bit of a mess here. Just use a flathead screwdriver, and you can see there just little hose clamps on this 3/8 inch hose. Mine, they're rubber, so I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of yours are very stiff. Mine still has a good bit of flexibility to it, so I'm going to keep using it. Just looking at the old one versus the new one, you can tell they're obviously the same thing. Old one has seen better days. So gonna toss this back in there and get everything tightened back up, and we should be good to go. And just like that, everything's back together. You can see up there the hose clamp is put in place. We should be good to go. I did take off the top hose clamp. I thought it was easier to remove, and then replace the actual valve itself outside of the car, and then just put it all back together that way. So I found that easiest to do it that way. Everything looks good. Should run fine now. So there you have it, guys, a fuel tank valve replacement on the 89 GTA. I believe this is the same for most, if not all, third gens Camaros as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask below. I hope this helps some of you guys. It was super easy and it took care of my problem. So feel free to ask below. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.